I have been asked to look at ways of recording audio to upload to Moodle. The reality is there are lots of different ways to do this. There are many different options and ways that you can record the audio and different ways that you can upload it. I had been asked to look at recording with mobile phones. However, the reality is there are so many different apps, so many different phones, and it's all different on how you record it and then how from that app or that phone that you upload it to Moodle. So these can be treated on a case by case basis if people would like to use the phones, but there's no sort of one size fits all approach. However, it is now possible to record audio directly into Moodle, and in this video I will show you how that is possible. If you come to your Moodle course and you turn your editing on, you can then add an activity or resource, and the one that you're most likely to use for an audio recording would be a page or a label, and in this occasion we'll use a page. If I click add, it asks me for a title, and we don't need a description at this point, and the content that we want to add is the audio recording or record audio directly to Moodle. So here at the top now we have these record audio or record video, and these will pick up your USB microphone or your webcam. It is recommended that you use a USB microphone as these are picked up a lot easier by your computer and they're simply a lot easier to work with when it comes to simple recording. So if I hit this, I will then see a recording window, and if I click start recording, this is my recording for Moodle. Here you can add up to 2 minutes of audio. If you would like more, you can add an extra 2 minutes and so on, just continuously add more audio. In this occasion, I'm doing a short introduction to Moodle, and this is a sample to let you see how it sounds. So if I press stop, I can then attach that recording, and it places it in here. If I play it back, this is my recording for Moodle. Here you can add up to 2 minutes of audio, and if I was to add extra audio in here, I can add part 2 and hit record again. This is part 2. The reason for 2-minute recordings is to limit the information that you're providing and also to help chunk the information that you are providing to the student. And I now have 2 audio recordings on that page. This is part 2. The reason for 2-minute recordings is to limit the information that you're providing and also to help chunk the information. If you would like to record longer pieces of audio, there are tools that you can use for this, such as Audacity, which again is quite standard. It's a free tool that IT can install on your machine if it doesn't already have it. And again, that works really well with a USB microphone, and there are guides to that available too. So if I hit save and return to course, you'll see now that if I come down here, I have a page that's called Audio Test. And if I click on that, this is what the students would see. They would see the recordings and they would see whatever other text information I had placed in there, and they can simply play them back. This is part 2. The reason. Okay. So the other option might be to add a label. And a label is just a piece of information that appears on your course page. So in this occasion, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this as an introduction. So if I hit start recording, welcome to my Moodle course. This is the Learning Technology test area. On first looks, it may look messy, it may look uninviting. However, the reason for this course to exist is simply a place where you can add any element of Moodle that you wish to try. So you could add a lesson, a Moodle recording, anything goes in here, just throw it in, get an idea of how it looks without messing up your live active course. So again, if I attach that then, I hit save and return to course. And we'll see now that we have an audio recording that sits on the page, and I can move this, or I should be able to. There we go. And I've moved this right to the top because on this occasion it's an introduction to my course. And if I turn the editing off, this is what the students would see. Welcome to my Moodle course. This is the Learning Technology test area. So that's how to place simple recordings inside Moodle. If you require longer, that can be done using a recording tool and then just uploading it as a file that you may usually use. But let's look at that in the next video.